On one side of the site, the freshly cut wooden beams were being carefully processed. Each log was stripped of its bark, and the surface was smoothed to reveal the natural grain of the wood. The edges were trimmed and refined with precision, ensuring that every beam would fit perfectly once assembled. This meticulous preparation not only enhanced the wood's appearance, but also guaranteed durability and stability for the structure. Above the grid system, another layer of wooden beams was stacked and aligned to form the perimeter walls of the second floor. Each beam was carefully lifted into position, fitted precisely along the edges to outline the shape of the upper level. This step not only extended the height of the structure, but also gave the house a more defined and elegant form. The builders worked methodically, ensuring that every joint locked perfectly with the one below, maintaining balance and structural integrity. After all the preparations were completed, the massive wooden beams were carefully dismantled and loaded onto a large transport truck. Each piece was arranged in order, following the markings made earlier to ensure they could be easily identified during reassembly. The team worked together efficiently, using cranes and lifting equipment to move the heavy beams without damaging their surfaces or joints. Once securely fastened onto the truck, the journey began toward the official building site. The convoy moved slowly along winding forest roads, carrying not just piles of timber, but the foundation of a dream, a house that had already taken shape in design and spirit. Finally, the last wooden beams were raised and set into position, following the exact layout of the pre-assembled structure. Each piece fit perfectly into place, just as planned during the earlier stages of construction. The team worked in perfect coordination, lifting, aligning, and securing every beam with care and precision. As the final sections locked together, the house's full form began to emerge, solid, symmetrical, and beautifully crafted. The once scattered pieces of timber had now come together to recreate the same structure that had been carefully planned and tested before. Every joint, every connection reflected the builder's skill and patience, marking the completion of the house's sturdy wooden frame, a true testament to craftsmanship and dedication. securing the central ridge, the builders returned to the walls below to begin cutting out the window and door openings. With saws and chisels in hand, they carefully cut through the thick wooden beams, shaping smooth, clean frames for each doorway and window dot bit by bit. The wooden house transformed from a solid shell into a welcoming home filled with balance, warmth, and natural beauty. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. The journey so far has been incredible, and there's still so much more to come. To follow the next stages of this wooden house project, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next episode.